So what do you do when your existing roof is sagging? You're trying to tie in something straight, plumb, and level with something crooked. We're going to show you today what you can do. It's called sistering new rafters onto the old. So right here is our new roof and our new porch. We're tying into this section that's very crooked, but we're going to pull the sheeting off. I'll get you in there, don't you worry. This is what you call overspan. This is classic 2x4 and 24-inch centers. And this building is about 24 feet wide, so it does have a couple of custom knee braces, but we're going to have to give it a little more support. In this angle, you can really see how bad it was sagging right there. Look at the bow in those rafters. Wow. In this shot, we are prepping the wall with a string. We got the string to a level point so that we can bring the new rafters up to that level point, because the wall had a sag in it as well, a couple of inches. Here's another shot of what we are working on. What you want to do is get a level spot on the wall. In this case, it was on the edge of the wall. We found to be level, hadn't sagged. Then you want to level this string. You can see down at that end the wall is dipping. Can't really see it in the camera, but it's dipping about 2.5 inches just from age. We're bringing the new rafters up to the string. You can see from this shot what it takes in order to level this roof. It goes from about 1/4 inch up here to maybe 2.5 at the bottom. This gives you a little better perspective of how much it was sagging before. From here you can see how the new roof line will plane compared to the old one, which was sagging 2.5 inches. So now we're adding collar ties, and then we're going to also support down to a big beam that they have in here supporting the ceiling. So that'll give upward pressure on this 2x6. Probably doesn't need it since the span isn't that long, but we're going to add it anyway, just for extra support. Alright, little update before we quit. For today, we're going to start sheeting this back in. We added our new 2x6s, we added our collar ties and some knee braces. Now you can see that top ridge line is straight, as well as our field is straight. So if you run into something like that, don't be afraid to dig in. Start straightening out some stuff. It makes the whole project look better. We'll see you on the next one.